Jenny.
Hi, Andrea. I'm here with Andrea Butje, and we're just having fun talking about life and stories and aromatherapy, and it's wonderful to have you join us.
If you're new to oils, that's exactly the kind of question that you would be asking, because there's so many different oils and they have so many different properties, and it's easy to, have a whole bunch of oils in front of you and think, what do I do here?
Hi, Carrie. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm well. How are you?
Thank you for having me.
Oh, it's such a pleasure to have you here today. You are a longtime graduate of the Aromahead Institute, which is so exciting.
My whole idea was, how do you make this simple, easy for the average person? Because I know the more educated I became, the more I realized I had done things wrong.
Hello, so this is Christina and this is Angie, and these are they're such inspirational gals, and they've been working on the most incredible project, a documentary film looking at aromatherapy.
Just to be there with Andrea in France was something I will never forget.
I've got just happy goosebumps right now.
I know.
We love her so much. We had such an extraordinary day with her. It was truly incredible. She's been an incredible teacher and friend, and has really helped us to shepherd this project. I don't think we'd be here in some ways without her and many others in this community.
Chelsea!
Wow, hi!
Chelsea, again, if you're just joining us, is an extraordinary graphic designer, and she does a lot of work with the Aromahead Institute. Can you tell me a little bit about how essential oils have positively changed your life?
Well, in more ways than one, truthfully, because not only has it affected my health, it's also given me a career. I've totally changed my life with it, and like I said, I have not been sick in like 2-3 years now.
My name is Jenny, and this is Kwan, and we're from the Aromahead team, and we're so excited to have you here with us. Can you tell me what your favorite part of your job is at Aromahead?
My favorite part would be that I am part of your journey, And I see these students growing, and to me, that's honestly my favorite part. Every time we talk about online studies, people will think that, oh, you're just reading off the screen from some computer, but it's not that. It's really a very dynamic experience.
Thank you so much for being here, everyone, and we will see you next time. We'll have another event coming up soon, so stay tuned for reminders on that. And again, have a wonderful day, and thanks again for being here.